So in this is question 6, which is in practice test 1. We're being asked to calculate the value of k using this partial table. Now if we go back to this table here that we were using to look at the relationship between straight lines and whether it was first, 0 or second order, what we can see is that if we're looking at something that has the form of a straight line, this is y equals mx plus b. You can see that in each instance here, the slope, which is m, would be negative k, or k. So what that means is, by finding the slope of the line, we'll be able to calculate either k or negative k, and that will allow us to, in turn, calculate k. So let's see what we need to do for this one here. Remember that in the case of 0 order, and that's what we're told in the problem we're dealing with, then the y value is going to be a and the x value is going to be time. So going back to the question, here's our x and here's our y values. Now in order to calculate the slope, which is going to be m, it's going to be the change in y over the change in x, which is going to be 4.56 minus 2.62 over 58 minus 101. Now this value is going to be negative 0.0451. Now from that previous page we saw that m is equal to negative k for the 0 order, which means that k is going to equal negative m. So the k value here is going to be, in this case, 0.0451. Now we also need the unit for this as well. And if we were dealing with this, that means that that would be A, which would have the unit molar. And then we've got time, which has the unit of seconds. If we're doing change in y over change in x, then the unit then would be m over s, or if you want, m/s. So that would be the unit for this k value up here as well.